Hi. This is Charlie Fuller, certified life coach, and for the past 19 years I have helped hundreds of clients build their businesses. The idea of turning dreams into dollars from the comfort of your own home is undoubtedly enticing, particularly in 2024. But as with any venture, the realities of making money online may not always match up to the hype and excitement. As with any startup, there are challenges, opportunities, and pitfalls that come with it. If you're looking to supplement your existing income, I'll provide you with a realistic understanding of what it takes to succeed in the online space. I'll shed light on the importance of building a personal brand, developing a strong online presence, and harnessing the power of social media to attract customers and clients. You'll learn from the experience of a young, bright, and successful online entrepreneur that I endorse. You'll uncover the strategies and tips to turn your online dreams into a sustainable and profitable reality. Follow the link under "Show More" for more information. Thanks.